So if you have been waiting to get the latest MacBook Pro, this is the right time because the M4 MacBook Pro has just arrived in Malaysia and it's already in my hands. Let's take a look at it together. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing clips just now, okay? And since we just took it out of the box, I'm just going to share with you some of the more prominent things that comes with the M4 MacBook Pro, okay? So you know, but this is not a review because it will come later, okay? So the very first thing that we can notice is this, the screen, okay? So now for display, you actually have the option to get the nano texture display, which does not reflect light, okay? That also means it is great for outdoor usage. So as you can see here, a comparison between the MacBook Pro without and also with the nano texture display, you can see the obvious difference when it reflects light. And if you have been wanting to use the Apple Intelligence, okay, which is Apple's latest technology, it's also on the M4 MacBook Pro. Just in case you haven't used it before on your iPhone or iPad, you can now enjoy it on the M4 MacBook Pro. And of course, some of the features that we can enjoy now is image cleanup. And we can also do Siri. Siri is now smarter. You can tap on this and then you can move the text bar anywhere you want and ask maybe like how to use the MacBook, and then they will teach you instantly. Not forgetting writing tools, okay, which is also part of Apple Intelligence. Okay, the third thing that I want to share with you, okay, only available on the M4 Pro, M4 Max, 14 or 16-inch MacBook Pro, there's this thing called high power mode, okay? So when you tap on settings, tap on battery, you can enable it in there, and that basically means it will give you additional power to run power intensive applications, okay? And the fan will also turn a lot faster, so you get all the power you want from the new MacBook Pro. And just quickly want to touch up on my favorite feature, okay, on all the Macs now is iPhone mirroring. So when you are charging your phone elsewhere, you don't even need to touch your iPhone and you can instantly use your iPhone on the MacBook. So that is a quick video of unboxing and sharing with you some of the latest features on the new MacBook Pro powered by M4 chips, okay? If you want to buy, it's available now. So click on the link below or just go to Apple Store and check it out yourself. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!